unsupervised machine learning. And the problem is from the given iris dataset predict the optimum number of cluster and represent it visually. And the dataset is in this link. Now importing the dependencies. There is some dependencies which are using in it, which is pandas, numpy, matplotlib, sklearn, seaborn. Now reading the dataset. By reading dataset, we see imported successfully. Now using the head method, we see the top 5 column of the dataset. Now the sep method is 150 column and 6 row. The IR info is used to information about the column, which is ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. Now dropping the ID column. By dropping the ID column, it's drop the ID column because there is no need of ID column here because there is numbering and ID column are the same. So ID there is no need of ID column here. Now describe function is method is for count, mean, standard deviation, min, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and max. Now checking whether the dataset contain any null or duplicate value or not. This is for the null value and this is for the duplicate value. So here we can see 3 duplicate values. So we use the drop duplicate value. You have to. Now by dropping the duplicate value, we can see the only 147 column left. Before it 150 column here. Now 147 columns are left. Now it's time to visualize the dataset. By using a pair plot, we visualize the dataset. This is the visualization of dataset where the blue one is for Iris setosa and the green one is for Iris virginica and the orange one is for Iris versicolor. This is correlation matrix. Now constructing heat map to understanding correlation. This is the heat map of the correlation. Now K means clustering. This is K means clustering. Now plotting the elbow method for the optimal solution. This gives the optimal solution for the given dataset. Now it's time to training the K-means clustering model. This is array dot label. This is K-means dot label with cluster. Here 147 rows and 6 columns. Here we can see Iris versicolor is 50, Iris virginia is 49, and Iris setosa is 48 because 3 duplicacy is removed. Now we plot the cluster of iris data. This is the cluster of given iris data. The big red dot is centroids. This is applying lambda and show the species encoded. Now import classification report by sklearn matrices. Now import confusion report So the conclusion is that the optimal solution of the given data is 3. Thank you.